If you've locked your card on SoFi Invest and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi Invest app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, locate the Account Settings menu. This is typically found in the Profile section, often represented by an icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Access Card Management. In the Account Settings, look for the option related to Card Management or Card Settings. Select this option to view the status of your card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Find the option to unlock your card. This may be labeled as Unlock Card or something similar. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlock your card. Step 5. Confirm changes. After unlocking, you may receive a confirmation message. Ensure that your card is now active and ready for use by checking the card status in the app. Once you've completed these steps, your card should be unlocked and ready for transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi's customer support for assistance.